Hello everyone, welcome to Deal Money's weekly blazing pick. So in this week's pick, we are presenting you KPR Mill Limited. KPR Mill is an apparel manufacturing company. It is engaged in the production of uh, yarns and knitted fabrics, ready-made garments, and also wind power. It also is engaged in the production of white crystal sugars. It is based in Tamil Nadu, and it has an spindle capacity of over 350,000, and it has production of 90 million tons of yarn per year. So the company KPR Mill has shown a good recovery in Q2 FY21. Its revenue grew by around 16.6% year on year to rupees 941.9 crores. So this was on the back of growth in its garment business, which grew by around 20%, and despite the fall in its gross margins, which was due to unfavorable revenue mix, it was limited uh, because of uh, because of the fall in the employee cost and the expenses, which limited its fall to around 20.1% in its operating margins. So this was highly favorable for the company, and we expect the company to do well as the production has reached its pre-COVID levels, and we expect the consumer demand also to reach the pre-COVID levels going ahead. The company is planning to come up with a new 42 million garment facility near Coimbatore by inputting 250 crores of capex, and this is to cater to the growing demand of the markets and to tap the potential growth in the markets. And this they are planning to come up near Coimbatore to avail the facilities near the city and to avail the benefits of integrated activities. Its loan debt to equity ratio has also reduced to 0.21 from 0.44 in FY 2020. So this is certain positive for the company, as they are planning to go net debt free in the coming 1 to 2 years, and they have also expanded its sugar capacity by around 10,000 TCD, and they have expanded their ethanol capacity by from 100 KLPD to 130 KLPD. By they have done this by investing 52 crores of internal accruals. So with the good monsoon and increased capacity, and the company's plan to start production by early November, the growth of the sugar segment is expected to improve their share sequentially, and which is beneficial for the company in this segment. Overall, with improving capacity of the company and return to the normalization levels, we expect the company to do well in the uh, next 6 months. So we are recommending a buy on the company for the target of around 995. Thank you.